On today's video, we used GROK, the AI on X, to figure out what trades we were going to make in the market. We analyzed the 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day charts for a variety of different cryptocurrency tokens. And with that, it gave us a long or a short trade to make on the markets in real time. If you find this information fun, enjoyable, this type of content is right up your alley. I live stream Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern time on kick.com/easyeats. But let's get into the video. Now what we're going to do is use GROK. Super GROK. All right. And we're going to take the same things, and we're going to ask it for some charts. Oops. Let's go to hype. Remove drawings. But this time, what we're going to do is we're going to take the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the 1 day. So we have the 15-minute, 1 hour. And I want to try to get as much of this as I can. The 1 hour, 15-minute, 4 hour, Yeah, pump is looking rough today. 4 hour. And the 1 day. And we're going to ask it a slightly different prompt. So we have our 4 pictures uploaded right here. Our 4 pictures are uploaded. 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, right? I asked it yesterday for a Sol USD short setup. I got stopped out on this. I was messing around with it yesterday just to see. So this is the prompt we're going to use. You are a financial analyst who is excellent at their job. Shout out Chart Food for the follow. You dominate the markets, hit winning trades consistently. What would you do for the uploaded chart? Give me a long or short thesis with take profit targets based on the 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day. We're looking for a same day trade. There's the full prompt. Send it in. Let's see how GROK does here. Shout out Luffy for the follow. Appreciate you guys. So the users uploaded 4 charts of hype. Were uploaded covering 15, 1 hour, 4 hour time frames. Shows RSIs. It's giving us a breakdown. Let me move me up just a little bit so you guys can see it, analyze it in real time. Yeah, GROK is my quant now. The 1 hour chart. So it's analyzing right now. Let's all take a sip of our coffee while GROK goes to work. You are a financial analyst who is excellent at their job. Shout out CryptoLink for posting the thread. Let's pin it. We're gonna pin that just so that you guys have the thing. Oh wait, actually, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna actually pin this exact one because we added a slightly different change to it. So that is the thing. You're a financial analyst who's excellent at their job. Long thesis for hype same day. Interesting. So it's telling us to go long hype. As a top tier financial analyst with a track record of dominating volatile markets like crypto, I analyze charts across multiple time frames to identify high profitability setups that align with the overall trend while capitalizing on short-term momentum. Based on the uploaded charts for hype, the asset exhibits a strong bullish trend on higher time frames with a recent pullback, creating an attractive entry for the same day long. Here's my detailed thesis and reasoning. Since we're targeting same days, I'll focus on intraday, assuming an entry near the current price of approximately 45.75 based on the latest closes is key. I'd recommend the stop loss below the recent low of 45.52 to limit downside to 0.5 to 1% and position sizing of no more than 1% of capital. Hype USDC has a parabolic uptrend since 2025, surging from near zero in January. Dude, this gives us a lot more context. First and foremost, GROK gives us way more context. So if we look at this setup, it gives us way more context than what we were getting from ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives us technical breakdown, trade bias, intraday setup, take profits, trade management, alternate bearish scenario, only if a rejection hits. So it gives us both sides, right? So GROK is giving us a lot more. Lower time frames, 1 hour to 15 minute. We're seeing a short-term pullback, 46 to 47.30, likely due to profit taking after the rapid percent. However, this retracement is shallow. and key indicators suggest exhaustion of sellers, combined with a diverging MACD like histograms, showing weakening downward momentum in the lower panels. Volume during the pullback is lower than prior upswings, indicating the setup screams buy the dip for the same day bounce, expecting buyers to step back in. High 70 to 80% chance for a quick scalp. Try O3 on ChatGPT as a reasoning model. I'll try that next time. We'll do O3 tomorrow. We'll do O3 tomorrow. Avoid a volume spikes on further downside. Key support is 45.52. Resistance derived from recent highs. Candles are mostly green. Take profit targets for a same-day trade. I'd scale it aggressively, looking for 30 to 50% of the position at each level. Based on the 15, TP1 is 46, 47. So this is interesting because now it's giving us take profits on each of these charts: 15-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, or take profit 1, 2, 4 hour, 1 day. So it's giving us anywhere, take profits are anywhere from 46 to 47.3. Trade execution, long 47.40 to 45.8. Ideally on a 15-minute bullish candle to close above 45.80 with RSI hooking up. Stop loss below 45.40. If RSI fails to rebound, the setup leverage is a multi-time frame. Please put the entire trade into a table for easier readability. Let's see what it says. You should try to use Gemini AI deep research. I'll use Gemini another day. We're basically just going to mess with these AIs for trading and see how well we can do on this. So we're already like up on this technically. Let's go to hype. 15-minute. Damn, yeah, this thing would have already been up. If I didn't take so long, this thing would have already been up. So we have long, hype is in parabolic uptrend. Key level support is 45.52. Resistance from fib retracements, 50 to 78 pullback, 47 in round numbers. Take profit one's 46, 46.2. Risk reward 1.2 to 1.3 per target scale. 30. Cut if RSI fails. Assume positive crypto sentiment. Bitcoin over 60K. Flip to short on the breakdown. Probability high due to multi-TF. All right, so we're going to go long hype. Let me establish a connection. Dude, why is my nose so runny? Establish the connection. What the heck? We're back. We're back. Sorry. Oh, that was weird. I don't know why I did that. Sorry. GM the shadow. So I got a really late entry. 46.17, right? 46.17. Which I don't like. I'm not a big fan of that because this thing's already like, yeah, your take profit should be like here on the 15-minute. We're basically at take profit ones. So I'm going to say outline only one strategy for the take profits and stop losses. Okay. Let's try this because we want to clean this up a little bit. We're long right now. We're actually underwater on this long. So it told me 45.4 is our stop loss. Yeah, 45.4 is the stop loss. Take profits 46.2, 47.48. Okay, so we have those. We're gonna do, let's do a take profit at 47. We're gonna do a take profit at 47. Stop loss at 45.4. We're in hype. Now let's do the same thing. Damn, Soul just ripping. Soul is ripping. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna do the same one with Soul. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Sol. 1 day. 4 hour. Boom. One hour. Oops. 1 hour. And then 15-minute. What would it be the thesis for Sol to grab back attention? I mean, dude, the Sol grab back attention is like, Sol's still largely what a lot of people are using. Like, the trenches are still active. Boom. Okay. So we just did that. Let's now do the same thing. Same exact prompt. Open up my full thing. Put the trade into a table for easy readability. Boom. And then I want outline one strategy. So this is the updated prompt. We're prompting in real time. We're going to pin that, unpin that. There we go. Okay, so now we're doing this. Now we're doing this. We're going to take a peek at our hype long. Bada boom, bada bing. So we're long hype on the day. Long hype on the day. Seeing what it says for Sol right now. All right. Oh, man. Shout out the followers, dude. Shout out everyone who followed because we just broke the goal. So we now need to do 360. Start that goal. Start a subscriber goal. Boom, boom. We're going to put it at 100, which is 11 more subs. If you want to subscribe, I appreciate you guys greatly, as always. All right, so it's giving us a breakdown here. It's giving us the full thing. Okay. Oh, man, so it's using a bunch of stuff from the internet. 2 sources. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bing, boom, boom. This is what I like to say. Hey, GM Benzong. Appreciate you, my guy. Support is 170. Long for the same day. Sol and a multi. Support is 170. Recent fibs. Take profits 176, 177. Take profit on the 1 hour 178, 180. Stop loss 170. So it's saying 177, 180. Okay. An entry here. An entry here. Let's go to Sol. We're going to long. Place the long. We're in. Let's put it at this top of the wick, 178, right? 178. Because I think that's what it gave us. I think it gave us that. Tom told me here so I can learn. This is not as much of a learning stream, I will say. So we're gonna go with the take profit 2 here and a stop loss under that. So they're saying 177, 178 with a stop loss at 170. So stop loss, that's a pretty low stop loss. All right, we're in. All right, so we're in a Sol long, we're in a hype long. That's it. Right now, I like those. I mean, we could do bonk. Bonk's just a parabolic one. We got hype, Bitcoin. You guys tell me, what else should we do here? What else should we do here? We're in hype and we're in Sol, both longs. Both of these are longs with very low liquidations. Jupe, Fartcoin, Trump. I don't want to trade like two. I mostly want to trade majors or alts. Oh, we should actually just replicate what we did yesterday. Sorry, chat. We're going to do XRP. We're going to do XRP, SWI, and probably Bitcoin. And ETH. XRP, 15-minute. XRP, 1 hour. $15-minute, 1 hour. Yeah, we can have it like a pump. We'll take a look at pump too. I actually like that. 1 hour, 4 hour. And then the 1 day. And then we're gonna give it the exact same prompt. I want to change one more thing. Only have one set take profit and one stop loss. Okay, so we're gonna change this just slightly. We got one take profit, one stop loss. I don't want to do memes. 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 Damn, we're already down 500 bandos. 500 beans. Make that 600 beans. Now we're down. All right, let's see what it says for this. Let's fire off a tweet. Would be interested to understand how much the AI is taking into account sentiment versus chart. I think it's only taking in the chart. Let me move that so we can go to the home. Boom, boom, boom. Letting GROK be our quant for the day. So far we are long hype and long soul. Analyzing XRP, SWI, and probably pump. Let's see how well we do. Live right now. Kick.com/easy-eats. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm not participating in the plasma sale. No, I am not. I'm not. Okay, so it's long XRP. Take profit 340, stop loss 320. Appreciate you, Chuck BC. So XRP, we are long. XRP, we are long with a stop loss of 3.2 and a take profit of 3.4. I'm gonna sneeze. 3.4. Let's actually front run this a little bit. 3.35. We'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it. It would be sick, right? I'd be wary of any shorts today just because it seems like the house has enough votes for crypto bills for this afternoon. Yeah, I mean, that's what, we're also long everything, Mr. Nick. We're long everything so far. We're up 1,000 right now. We're up $1,000 right now. Oh my God, we're at 1,500. Damn, we're cruising right now. Absolutely cruising at 8:30. First thing in the morning. Did this do a second live right now? Huh. Okay. So we are long basically the whole market. Hype, Sol, XRP. I want to take a look at SWI. SWI. So we got SWI as well. I'm not doing, I don't want to do the like that far of the alt risk curve, like fart coin and stuff like that. I really don't want to. So we have SWI 1 day, SWI 4 hour, SWI 1 day, SWI 4 hour. Did you close bonk? Yeah, I've closed my bonk long for now. 4 hour, 1 hour. I do like AVAX. That's a good one. Shout out Bob Gels for the follow. Bob Eggles for the follow. Shout out Bob Eggles. And then the 15-minute. And then let's see what it says about SWI. And then I guess we'll probably do pump as well. Near's interesting. Near's interesting. Boom. Take the exact prompt that we just did, which is this. Once again, we're updating the prompt. Unpin from the chat, pin that one. That's the one we got. You're a financial analyst who's excellent at their job. And so far, GROK's doing a good job. GROK is not doing bad. I do like what GROK's doing. On the Doge is interesting. Doge is interesting. Doge is very interesting. Let's see if we can make some cash today, chat. Let's see if we can make some cash. So we got, let's search the web, doing some stuff. Huh. Somebody said that they got a different entry on it. Stop loss 465 on hype. Wouldn't you have been stopped out? Oh no. We'll see. We'll see. Another long thesis. Another long thesis on sweet. 3.9, take profit 4.2. All right. So bullish on the ecosystem growth, trending numbers. Yeah, so it uses a bunch of different stuff you can see. RSI time frames, moving averages, chart resistances. This is just vanilla, by the way, round man. We're not giving it anything. We're just kind of letting it go. We're just entering it and seeing what happens. So this has us entering stop loss at 390. Where's sweet? Place the order, 390. Stop loss, 3.9. Take profit, 4.2. 4.2 is aggressive, dude. 4.2 is aggressive. All right, we're in. Let's see. Chat, we may cut these early just because these things, this like sweet has not hit a new high on this, but we'll see. We'll see. X post 2. So it does a bunch of like look, it does 4 posts, 10 pages. So it has scrolled like a ton of stuff. You can see 10 web pages that it looked at. It's looked at 4 posts. It's done a bunch of stuff. Bunch of stuff. Right now, we're doing okay. We're up $900 right now at the moment. 900. I just like the trading view chart better. It's purely preference. Purely preference. There's no like rhyme or reason why. I just like it better. That's just me. That's just me. So we got 4 trades open right now, all in the green at the moment, which is nuts. Absolutely nutty. Absolutely nutty for the gang. We'll see what happens with it though. Percent wise, it's about 5%. Yeah. I mean, I don't care if this port goes to 0 is the difference for me. So like I'm taking a little bit of a bigger risk on it. XX Top Cat, you should only be using 1 to 2% of portfolio size, in my opinion. That's just me though. That's just me though. What else do we want to take a look at here? What else do we want to take a look at? So we have these 4 trades. We got a lot open. What else? So we have sweet. Oh, we should do pump. $15 This one's gonna be a little bit more difficult because it does not have a ton of history. I don't want to do bonk personally. I've just traded the shit out of bonk, so I'm trying to find different stuff. 1 hour. 1 hour, 15-minute. We got the 1 hour, the 15-minute, 4 hour. Four hour. Oops. 4 hour and 1 day. Four-hour and 1 day. Let's see what it says for pump fun. Take our full prompt. And let's see. Let's see. Oh man, sweet catching a nice bid here. I like that entry. We're up over 4. Beautiful. I mean, we're up 16, 18, $1,900. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Oh man. I'm tight. Oh. Damn, sold now, outpacing our XRP long. Love to see it. Love to see it. Okay. Let's see what it says for pump. Did you use leverage on these? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I'm anywhere between 10 and 20x. Anywhere between 10 and 20x. Levied up. You can see it there. Bottom left. 10, 20, 10, 20. It's whatever the hyperliquid default is. And then I just use a percentage of the port. Let's see what GROK says. Short. Oh, it's saying short pump. It's saying short pump. Interesting. And then we can do Pengu. We'll wrap with Pengu. I like the Pengu one. So it's saying, oh man, poor tokenomics, no airdrop, now in a free fall with bearish X sentiment. TP1 is 0.0048. Wow. Wow. It's saying to short it. Fixed at 0.055. So we're going to short pump. We are going to short pump. Place the short. We are short pump with a stop loss at 0.0055. 0.0055. And a take profit of... Wow, that's an aggressive take profit. Really? All the way down there. I might even move this up to like 0.0047. 0.0048. Yeah, we're gonna adjust the pump one just slightly. Price below. We're gonna adjust the pump one just slightly. Just slightly, just slightly, just slightly, just slightly. Just slightly. Point. Yeah, we're gonna move that one just a smidge. We'll see if we get it. Kind of nuts. He thinks pump is at 0.006371. GROK told me to short hype, but I have him on a 15-minute chart with timestamp from the 19th of June until today. Yeah, so Chartfu, I moved mine like all the way out. So if you saw how I did it with hype for the 15-minute, I make it so it has to be the whole chart. So the images you upload are going to play a part. So like if he did the 19th to today, yeah, we'll see. It's going to be interesting. I mean, we're up on everything right now pretty nicely. Literally everything we just entered is up. Everything is up, including the pump short, including the pump fund short. We're up everything. All of it. We'll see what happens, but that's where we're at right now. So we're going to take a look at how these trade, right? So we are currently on a variety of trades. I'm going to close out the margin on this picture just so people can't see it. Close out the position value. Close out the size because size doesn't matter. Oh, oops. Let's close out margin. Close out size and position. And we're up on all these. All right. So, chat, we are currently in the green on a ton of different stuff here. Ton of stuff. Last one I want to do real quick is Pengu, just for the culture. Last one we're going to do is Pengu. Let's get rid of 8 drawings. We have the 15-minute. Last one. 15-minute. Boom. Already up 18% on the SOL. Why we wake up in the morning. That's what I'm talking about, Chartfu. That's what I'm fucking talking about. 15-minute. 1 hour. 1 hour. 15-minute. 4 hour. I like to make it the full screen width here. So we got to give it, make sure all the candles are included, highs and lows. Boom, boom, boom. And then we got to do 1 day. Make sure it's the whole thing. Boom. See what it says. So we got Pengu's our last one, chat. Here's the last one. Grab the copy here. Did you just hit your take profit? On what? Did I just want to take profit on what? Did Sol just hit take profit? Did it? No. 177.1. Our take profit's 180. It's close. It's very close. 3 beans. We'll see if it does. It's a nice candle. I think Sol technically would have hit its first take profit. If we went with the Sol one here, so we would have hit TP1, I believe, 177, TP2. Yes, take profit 1 was 177. I consolidated it down because I only wanted 1 take profit. Hey, Brady mate, appreciate you. I brought it down. I like shrunk how many take profits we have. We would have just hit take profit 1. Yeah. We would have just hit take profit 1. Which is nuts. Like, I mean, dude, for context, we're up 37. We're up 4K right now. 33, 39, 4,400 right now. Not bad. $4,500 in the morning. That ain't bad, chat. That is not bad. $4,400 in the last 40 minutes is actually kind of ridiculous. Oh, great. Got a great token to ask you about. What do you think about the Valentine token? I don't really care about the new memes. Yeah, the salary stuff in 30 minutes is massive. We'll see. We'll see what happens with it. Yeah. Wow. I think I'm more surprised. Don't easy. GROK his ass. Yeah, I'm not... dude, I haven't traded like any memes in a while. To be honest. I've just been leverage trading. That's it. So let's see what it says for Pangu. Pangu stop loss. So it's a long trade on Pangu. 0.00335. So I guess we'll also open up a Pangu long here. We'll also open up a Pangu long. Place the order. We're long Pangu. And that's going to give us 0.00335. Take profit is 0.00335. Wait, what? Oh, is that my stop? Oh, God. Oh, God. 0.00335. Oh, this is because it's, yeah, okay. 0.035 is what we got to do. 0.035. There we go. We got to remove a 0. Take profit is 0.03. Stop loss is 0.03. 0.03. Boom. Let's see what happens. So we're in that. Stop loss there. Take profit there. Bada boom, bada bing. Boom, boom, bing. It should be 0.035, yeah. So we're in Pangu. It basically has us taking profit back at that wick, which I'm cool with. All right. So chat, we got it. We're in a whole mess of shit right now. We're in a hype long, a Pangu long, a pump short, a Sol long, a SWE long, and an XRP long. That's what we're in. That is what we're in. So there you have it. We got 6 trades, 5 longs, 1 short, all powered by GROK. Is AI actually an effective trader, or is it just a market trend? I'll let you do the decision on that. But I put the description below, which has the prompt that I used for this specific video, so you can replicate it and see how well it does for you. As always, this is never financial advice. We're using AI to make trades for us. How much dumber can it really get? But if you want to tune into these live, I live stream Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern time on kick.com/easyeats. And if you're new here, if you enjoy this content, I post a ton of content on YouTube. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what tickers and what AI models we should use next. I appreciate you as always. Keep it easy, and we'll catch you next time.